So here it is. So in 2006, I had this interview article in Lowrider Bicycle magazine where I was stating that Jeroen is hoping to make his dreams a reality. And after all these years, 2020, my dream has become a reality. And this is sent to me by REDCAT Racing from Phoenix, Arizona. We worked on this for 4 years. So now I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys what we've been working on. I'm super excited, holy shit. Super excited. And it's a heavy box, it's super heavy. So this is my first unboxing video. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, check it out. Look at this. Oh man, this is so badass. This is the REDCAT 64 RC Impala Jevries edition. It's a big 110 scale RC car with all the functionality like wheel motion, hopping, etc. So oh man, I'm gonna get it out of the box now. Yeah, like this. It's super heavy. I put it on the ground. Let's get this over here. So here it is. It's gigantic. Oh, check out the back. Check it out. So cool. I mean, this is definitely a dream come true to have my own Jevries scale lowrider 64 Impala, fully functional, radio controlled. I mean, oh my goodness, it's so sick. This is so sick. Okay. I need to figure out how to open it. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Look at this box. So super well done, so nice. And it's Kelly Crosby from REDCAT Racing who did all the graphics, and he helped me out with the sticker design for the Jevries model. And look at this on the inside. There's a super nice backdrop that you can use to make pictures of the car. Super nice. Okay, well. Put the light on here. Oh my goodness, this is so badass. I have to say it looks 100% better than I imagined it would look like. So there's a very thick booklet coming with it. Let me get some scissors to cut the plastic back. Look at this, you get a whole booklet about all the functions and how to handle the car and everything. I mean, it's so well done. So well done. Super nice. And over here you got the decal sheets. You got nice chrome antennas. You got even interior parts. I mean, wow, that looks so ridiculously good. Oh my goodness. It even has switches over here. Super nice. And here the stickers. Oh, they look super nice. Super nice. Oh my goodness. I designed these graphics, and with the help of Kelly Crosby from REDCAT, we managed to pull it off. To have the right colors. There was a lot of discussion about how to create the right colors, but it looks stunning, looks superb. Oh my goodness, looks super nice. Well, let's do this. The remote control. Let me see how I can. Here it goes. Oh my goodness. Look at this. A custom created control with switches. Wow, looks so nice. Super nice. And there it is. Oh my. Sick. Oh my goodness, look at this baby over here. Look at this baby. It's so sick. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that looks incredible. This looks totally incredible. And it's a Vacform Lexan body, but it's so super well done that you hardly notice it is a Lexan clear body. I mean, it looks so well done. Got all the nice curvatures and everything. Wow, and it weighs a ton, it's heavy. Nice chrome grille. Unbelievable. And it has really nice chrome wire wheels with white wall tires. They're 14-inch wire wheels. Wow, I think this is the best RC Lowrider product ever. I mean, it looks superb. Check out how the chassis looks. It looks stunning. Oh my goodness, it has nice details. Super nice suspension bars, rear axle, everything looks beyond. I mean, I was expecting something, but the quality on this is ridiculous. Oh my goodness, looks so nice. Wow. Yeah, it looks badass. Oh man, I can't wait to give it a go. And it's super heavy. I mean, holy moly. This is not something that I take with me easily to shows and exhibitions overseas because it's so heavy. Wow. Yeah, super nice. Super nice. Super nice. Wow. Well, I can't wait to give it a go, of course. So I'm gonna put some batteries in, and then we're gonna take it for a test drive to see how it functions and how it works. So let's do this.